Hello viewers, welcome to Pocket Science channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to the Pocket Science channel. Please subscribe, like and share our channel and keep supporting us. I think in our previous video we have missed the 18th MCQ question of 2019 physics past paper. So we are going to look on that question now. 18th question. 3 capacitors with equal capacitance and 2 batteries with equal electromotive force are given to construct a circuit to store energy. Which of the following circuits stores the maximum energy? Okay guys, so the question has given 3 capacitors and 2 batteries, and all the capacitance and the electromotive forces are same. So what's going to define the maximum energy stored will be the arrangement of the circuit, right? So the energy saved in a capacitance, you know that equation is half CV square, right? So in this question you can see that, and this equation you can see that when the capacitance is higher, the energy will be higher, right? And also when the volt difference is higher, the energy will be higher. Okay, so now the volt difference we are getting is from the electromotive force. Okay, so if the electromotive force is higher, the energy stored in the capacitance will be higher. Okay, so that's our idea. So what we are going to see is the circuit that has the maximum capacitance and the maximum EMF. So you know that guys, if two capacitors are in series, right? Assume that this is C and this is C. So you know how to get the resultant capacitance. The resultant capacitance will be 1 over C plus 1 over C, right? So 1 over capacitance, resultant capacitance will be 2 over C. Okay, so resultant capacitance you will get C by 2, right? So that's the resultant capacitance when two capacitors are in series arrangement, right? So now consider two capacitors are in parallel arrangement. Okay, you know that the resultant capacitance can be directly written as C plus C, which means 2C. Okay, now you can see that the series capacitor arrangement gets C by 2 and the parallel one gets 2C, which means parallel capacitor arrangement has the highest capacitance. So in the question we should have an arrangement of the capacitor in parallel. And coming to electromotive force, when we have two batteries in series, so this is, we'll say this is E and also this is E, right? When we have two batteries in series, the total volt difference between these two batteries will be 2E, right? That you know, right? And also when two batteries are in parallel, right? So this is E and this is also E. When two batteries are in parallel, the volt difference between these two batteries will be E. Okay, so now here what you can see is when batteries are in series has the highest EMF value than batteries are in parallel, right? So we got both the ideas, which means the capacitor should be in parallel and the battery should be in series. So I'm going to put all the capacitors in parallel and two batteries in series. So three capacitors in parallel and two batteries in series. So this will be our answer. So our answer is third one.
இது உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் உங்கள் டவுட்ஸை கூட நீங்கள் கேட்கலாம். பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி அப்பப்போ புது வீடியோஸோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனை கூட நீங்கள் பெறலாம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.